Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague. I'm Social Media Director with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. One of our favorite things to do here is helping people find the vehicle of their dreams, perfect for their family and friends, but more importantly even, customizing it, accessorizing it, helping them make it their own so it's unique, it's one of a kind, and it fits them perfectly. We did this on a 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium. This is one of a kind, I think. One of the unique features from upgrading an off-road to an off-road premium is the ability to have smart key push button start along with auto lock and unlock. So let's open this up. Remember what you're gonna find on TRD Off-Road Premium as far as seating and material. It's going to be black SofTex. And that's what we find in here, right? Actually, no, it's not. We've added leather seats. The customer did not want a dark interior, did not prefer black interior, wanted something classy, luxurious, elegant, also sporty looking too. So we went with the beige leather interior. It looks fantastic with the white exterior. Leather seats in a TRD Off-Road Premium. Never heard of it. Let's take a closer look. A lot of people own 4Runners, and a great number of people also own the TRD Off-Road Premium. So you're used to seeing the darker interior. How does this look? This is cat skin leather. We have an accessories department that adds just leather and heated seats. That's all they do. So you know it's going to be done one of a kind, one at a time, with precision, quality, and care. The cool thing about adding leather seats to our vehicles is you can do it with a new Toyota. You can also ask us about a current vehicle that you own, whether it's a 14 Camry, a 16 Highlander, maybe you have an 18 Accord. You can change the fabric material to leather material or even SofTex, even on a different manufacturer. So please contact us if this is something you're interested, and we'll let you know what the cost is, whether it's a 2-row vehicle or a 3-row vehicle. Let's walk around the 4Runner so you can get a feel for it. This one has a factory installed option, a power moonroof. Take a look at that. The other thing it has is kinetic dynamic suspension system. That's a popular option with people who want to drive on the road and certainly off the road. The other thing you'll find is the touch keypad. So without keys on you, you can enter the car and exit the car, lock and unlock it nice and easily and conveniently. That's a port installed option or a dealer installed option. Thanks everyone so much for watching. What do you think of the accessories we installed? What do you think of the leather? Do you like the lighter color exterior with the lighter interior? How does it look to you? What do you think about that touch keypad? All right, follow us on Instagram at Fred Anderson Toyota, also Facebook, Fred Anderson Toyota. And if you want to check out our inventory, hundreds of cars and trucks and SUVs, new and pre-owned, go to fredandersontoyota.com. And then also please hit like and subscribe and the notification bell if you want to follow along and join our car loving community. Thanks everyone, we'll see you next time. Enjoy your trip back to Richmond. Congratulations.